Nagesh Karasge Orchid School channel. Myself Sneha Devdare, your grade 1 maths teacher. How are you dear all? How are you all? Fine? Okay. So we will start with our math subject. Take out your saffron textbook everyone. Take out your saffron textbook. Come on, be fast. Okay. So students, look at the board. So students, in the last period we have completed our chapter number 2, that is numbers up to 100. Yes, what we have completed in the last period? Numbers up to 100. Okay, so today we are going to start with our new chapter, that is chapter number 3, addition and subtraction up to 100. What? Addition and subtraction up to 100. Okay, so students, addition and subtraction, this concept is already familiar to you, means you know what we do in this. Then too, one more time I will tell you, addition means what, students? Addition means what? Yes, what do you mean by addition? See, now addition means to add. What? Addition means to add. Now in this hand I have 5 fingers. How many? 5 fingers. Okay, and here what I did, I have added again 2. So these 5 and 2 fingers I have added. So how many total? 7. How many? 7. ये हाथ में 5 फिंगर्स और ये हाथ के 2 फिंगर्स, तो ये मैंने दोनों क्या किया? मिक्स किया टुगेदर. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर? 7. दिस इज कॉल्ड एडिशन. व्हाट इट इज कॉल्ड? एडिशन. ओके, बाय पिक्चर आई विल टेल यू. सी नाउ हियर, हाउ मेनी बॉल्स आर देयर? 1, 2, 3. How many balls are there? 3 balls. Okay, so I will write here 3. What I will do? I will add 2 more. What I will do? I will add 2 more. Wait. I will add here 2 more. Okay, so 2. Now do here addition. What? Addition. So 3 and 2. If you will count the pictures also, you will get 5 as answer. Understood? So here you will get 5 balls. How many? 5 balls. And this 3 plus 2 is also 5. Understood? This is called addition. Okay, now if you are having 2 digits, what means above 2 digits and below 1 digit, so how you will do? See, 17 plus 2. Okay, 17 plus 2. So what you will do, students, here? Yes, counting forward method. Yes, what you will use? Counting forward method. So which is the first number? 17. Okay, after 17 count 2 fingers. 18, 19. So your answer is 19. Okay, so counting forward, counting on the pictures, or counting by drawing lines, circles, all the concepts we have learnt in the term 1. Okay, similar to that only we are going to see in this chapter also. Fine. Now what is subtraction? What is subtraction, dear students? What is subtraction? Yes, very good. Subtraction means to take away. What? Subtraction means to take away, to find out the remaining, to find out the left. ओके, इतने थे तो इतने बड़े नंबर में से एक छोटा सा नंबर हमने अगर निकाला तो कितने बचते हैं? ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड सब्ट्रैक्शन. नाउ आई विल टेल यू. सी, a shopkeeper is having, okay, a shopkeeper is having total 6 flowers. How many flowers are there with shopkeepers? Shopkeeper 6 flowers. How many? 6 flowers are there with shopkeeper. Okay, so among 6, 2 he sold. What happened? 2 he sold. 2 उसने बेच डाले. Okay, so how many are remaining? How many are left? Yes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 flowers are left. So what I have done here, students? From 6, 2 I have subtracted and I got 4 as answer. Understood? This is called subtraction. Fine. Now of 2-digit number. What? Of 2-digit number. Now we have 15 minus 2 is there. What you will do, students? Yes, you can solve by tens and ones also, means dividing by tens and ones also, or else you can count backward. We will solve by ones and tens. Okay, so first go towards the ones place. What is there in ones place? 5 minus 2. So do 5 minus 2, how much? 5 minus 2, how much? Yes, 3. How much? 3. Now on the tens place, which is the number? Only 1. Can you see there any number below? No. So as it is you can copy. Understood? So this was only for your recall. Already you know this everything. Okay? So chapter number 3, addition and subtraction up to 100. Now warm up. See, solve the crossword using the clues given. You have to solve the crossword, students. Can you see your numbers they have given? So you have to solve the crossword. Understood? Now first one. So here one number is there. Across means what? Like this. Across. Okay. And down means what? Like this. Okay, so across first number, across first 30 plus 9. Come on, roughly we will do here. You don't write anything. First pay attention here. 30 plus 9. Okay, 0 plus 9 how much? Yes, properties of addition. Do you remember? Come on, recall it. Yes, any number if you will add by 0, then which number you will get? Yes, you will get same number. So 0 plus 9, then good, 9. And here 3, so is there any number below? No. So add as it is 3. So what is the answer? 39. What? 39. So it is across now. So we will write here 39. Okay. Don't write anything. First pay attention. Now down. What? Down. Now 39 minus 4. How much? 39 minus 4. Minus 4. Okay. Solve by ones and tens. On ones place which number is there? 9 minus 4. Come on, do it. 9 minus 4. How much? 5. Okay. So I will write here 5. And here on the tens place only 3 is there. There is no number below. So as it is 3. So what is the answer? 35. What is the answer? 35. Okay. So you have to write like this down. 35. So already 3 is there here. So you can write here 5. 35. Understood? Write in the textbook. Write in the textbook, everyone. Come on, do it fast. Write in the textbook. Finish writing. Okay, 39 and 35. Now the next one. See, now here across what is there? 19 minus 7. 19 minus 7. Okay, ones and tens. Now start from the ones place. 9 minus 7, how much? Do on your fingers. 9 minus 7. Come on, do it. How much? 2. How much remaining? 2. And here 1 as it is. So what is the answer? What is the answer? Yes, it is 12. What? 12. So I will write here 1, 2, 12. Okay, next. Now this is done. Next one. See, now we have 3 is there, na? Down 3 means this one. So 11 plus 9. Now plus, add 11 plus 9. What is the answer, students? 1 plus 9. How much? 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9. Total 10. Okay. Now students, 10 is 2-digit number. What? 10 is 2-digit number. Okay. Or else students, do one thing. You don't do like this. This sum. ये सम ऐसे मत करो. एक काम करो. 11 plus 9 है ना. Do one thing. Do this by counting forward method. So remember this 11. Count 9 fingers. How many? 9 fingers. Come on, start after 11. Yes, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What is the answer? 20. Okay, and down you have to write down. Okay, so 2 is there, 0 you will write. Understood? 20. Come on, write in the textbook. Write in your textbook. Be fast. Finish. Okay. Now the next one. चलो अभी नेक्स्ट क्या है? You do now, students. It is across. Okay, like this. 29 minus 8. Come on, you do now. Ones और tens में solve करो. 29 minus 8. What will be the answer? क्या आएगा आंसर? देखो वहां पे. What will come? Wrote everyone? Okay, let me check. See, 29 minus 8. Now here 9 minus 8, how much? 1. Okay, and here 2, there is no number below, so as it is 2. 21. What will be the answer? 21. So write here 21. Okay, everybody wrote the same answer? Very good. Those who have not written, those who have done the mistake, correct it. Okay, 21 will come. Now the next is 5. Here 27 minus 7. How much? 27 minus 7. So here 4 down is also there. Okay, 4 वाला ये down का भी है sum. तो 27 minus 7, how much you do? Remember the properties. Come on, recall the properties of subtraction. प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन याद करो. Yes, if any number you will subtract from the number itself, then you will get सेम नंबर. अगर आपने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया सेम नंबर में से तो कितना मिलेगा आपको? Yes, you will get 0. What you will get? 0. Okay, and now your 2 is there, so is there any number below? No, so as it is 2. So 2 0 20. What is the answer? 2 0 20. So here 2 is there, so you write only 0. Means 27 minus 7 is 2 0 20. Understood? Come on, write it. Be fast. Wrote finish. Okay, now next is fifth one. It is across 25 plus 5. Come on, you do now. 25 plus 25 plus 5. How much? What will be the answer? क्या आएगा आंसर वहाँ पे? It is across. Okay, 25 plus 5. 25 के बाद 5 काउंट करो. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. What? 30. So here already 0 is there. So you just add 3. 3 0 30. Understood? Got it everyone? Come on, write it. Finish. Okay, now next fifth, it is down 5. 30 minus 6. How much? 30 minus 6. So you do this by counting forward method. It is not minus, it is plus. Sorry, it is plus. 30 plus 6. How much? 30 plus 6. So do your roughly 30 plus 6. Okay, 0 plus 6 is 0, no number. So as it is 36. What is the answer? 36. So 5 down it is. So 3 is there already. So you can just add here 6. Come on, write in the textbook. Be fast. Done. Next, sixth, it is across 44 plus 5. How much? 44 plus 5. 44 plus 5. Okay, start from the ones place. 4 plus 5, how much? 9. And 4 as it is. So what you got answer? 49. What you got? 49. Okay, next it is down now. 6 is down. 45 minus 2. How much? 45 minus 2. Subtraction you have to do, students. Okay, be careful. See, whenever you are solving, you have to see the sums sign carefully, whether it is addition or subtraction. 45 minus 2. Start from the ones place. 5 minus 2, 3, and this 4. So what is the answer? 43. Okay, 4 is there, so you write just 3. 43. Understood? Got or not? So this was all about addition and subtraction warm up. Understood? See how they have asked, like puzzle. Yes, no students? It was fun or not? Okay. So what are the things that we are going to learn ahead in these chapter. Adding a 2-digit number with a 1 and a 2-digit number without regrouping. Okay, this is regrouping concept is totally new for you. So this new concept we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, next, subtracting 1 and a 2-digit number from a 2-digit number without regrouping. This is also new for you. So this we are going to learn. Addition and subtraction stories, this you know only. So addition stories and subtraction stories, this you know only. Okay, see, addition and subtraction concept is same, but there are some methods. Okay, numbers, if you will get other numbers, then how you will do these things, some different things we are going to learn in this chapter. Understood everyone? So this was all about the addition and subtraction warm up introduction. Okay, now my way ahead. Turn the page. My way ahead. What Fabian says, sorry, what Manjit says, what are you doing, Fabian? Then Fabian says, see, I am counting the tennis balls. I have to give them to my friends. Manjit, a boy, asked to Fabian, a girl, what are you doing? So the girl said, I am counting tennis balls because she wants to give to her friends. Manjit, but why are you upset? What Manjit says, why are you upset then? Why you are looking so sad? Then Fabian says, I had counted that I had 23 tennis balls, but my father gave me 5 more. Now I have to count it all over again. What Fabian says, when I have started counting, then all the tennis balls were 23 total. How many? 23. Then what happened? Her father gave 5 more. How many? 5 more. So she is in tens now. Again I have to count from first. 1, 2, 3 like that. Then what Manjit says? Fabian, why are you counting again? You just need to add 5 with 23. Okay? Fabian क्या बोलती है? मैंने जब काउंटिंग स्टार्ट किया तो 23 थे, तो मेरे पापा ने और मुझे 5 दे दिए, तो मुझे अभी फिर से पहले से काउंट करना पड़ेगा. तो मंजित क्या बोलता है? आप पहले से काउंट क्यों करते हो? You just need to add 5 in 23. Okay? Then what Fabian says? But how can I do it? Then what Fabian says? How can I do it? Then see the steps what Manjit has told. Let us understand addition better. Steps 1. Arrange the numbers in columns. See students, you have to first arrange the numbers properly, whether it is vertically or horizontally. You have to arrange the first numbers. Okay, so how many balls were there? First 23. Then father gave more 5. So total she wants to count. What? Total. ये total, all together, ये सारे words किस में आते हैं? Addition में आते हैं. और remaining, left, ये subtraction में. Okay? So total they want to know. So 23 plus 5. Now what is the next step? Add the ones. See, 23 plus 5. So add the ones. One side, whichever number is there, that you have to add first. 3 plus 5. How much? 3 plus 5. So 3 fingers, 5 fingers. How much total? 5 and 3, 6, 7, 8. What is the answer? 8. Okay, this was the second step. These steps also you know, everybody, I know it very well, but then to pay attention. See, first step, arrange the numbers accordingly, then solve the ones place, and then go towards the tens place. Okay, on the tens place, which number is there? Only 2. Is there any number below? No. So what is the answer? 28. What is the answer? 28. Okay, we can also show this as 2 tens plus 3 ones is equal to 5 ones, and 2 tens plus 8 ones is equal to 28. Okay, ये tens और ones में भी उन्होंने बताया है. देखो, 2 tens, 3 ones, 5. So what will be the answer? 2 plus 3, 5 ones. Okay, then 2 tens and this 8 ones is 28. Got it? This 2 tens and this 3 plus 5 is 8. So 2 tens, 8 ones, 28. This is little bit difficult. You can refer this only. Okay, step by step you have to go, arrange it properly, then solve the ones place and then tens place. Okay, so this were the steps to do the addition. Understood? So Fabian added only 5 balls next to 23. So total now she has 28 balls. One more example. Add 57 and 2. What? Add 57 and 2. Let's add. See, 57 first arrange properly plus 2. So here you can if you are not able to do on your fingers, you can draw the lines also. So here 7 is there, so 7 boxes they have drawn small, and here 2 is there, so 2 squares. So total you will get 9, and here 5 as it is. So let us learn to add 2-digit numbers. So 57 plus 2 is 59. Okay. So students, today in our this period we have started with our new chapter, that is chapter number 3, addition and subtraction up to 100. Okay, addition means you know only to put the two numbers together, subtraction means to take away, to cancel. Okay, warm up also we have done. It was very fun, na? Yes, na students, it was very fun to solve the crossword. Then objectives also we have seen, and examples of how to add the numbers above 2 digit, below 1 digit, step by step, that also we have learned. So remaining part we will see in the next period. Till then, bye bye. Thank you everyone.